Welcome to the Stuff Review. We've got lots of stuff for you. News are here, movies there. Howdy from the cool guy. Why this show? Here's why. Things are cool, tried and true in the Stuff Review. Fun will soon at our house. Catch the moon at our house. Come at day, come at night. Do whatever you want. How about that? Alright, things are do stuff for you in the Stuff Review. Welcome to the Stuff Review. Welcome to the Stuff Review. Door is open. Come on in. Now you're here, so let's begin.
Hey boys, it's me. I have a job now. I mean, after all, how else was I supposed to afford this? Only one problem. It's in Horseshoe Beach, Florida. But if I've done the math correctly, it should only take me about 3 weeks to get there. I better start going. I made it. Yeah, I kinda need to get in there, though. Apparently, there's a really big hurricane on the way. I think it's called, Hurricane McDonald or something, you know. Haha. Anyway, yeah, I should probably get in. They're expecting me. Hey guys, I made it. Jackson, thank God you're here. We're kind of in an emergency situation. You see, we have to teach all of these here very, very that, you know, they have to survive the hurricane. Only problem is I kind of gave myself amnesia from, getting scared of the hurricane. How the heck you remember you gave yourself amnesia? Yeah, well, I kind of wrote a post-it note reminding myself that I had amnesia before I actually got amnesia.
Well then, how do we survive Hurricane McDonald?
Well,
A basic summary of a hurricane is basically just a water storm, and you gotta survive it.
We already know that, you freakhead.
okay, dang, chill. I'll just tell you how to survive, I guess.
The biggest threat in this case is the fact of floods. You gotta make sure you don't die of floods and strong thunderstorms as well. So step number 1, you're gonna need a table. Aw, dang it, I have a reason to go to Lowe's now.
Alright, fellas, I got my table.
Step 2, get into a room without any windows.
Well, then I guess this room won't suffice.
Step 3, get under your table just like so. And step 4, wait for the inevitable. Hello, I am Brittle Schnitzel Sub with your daily breaking news. I have a new hat. I know, pretty crazy, right? Oh, yeah. In much less important news, Hurricane McDonald, next seen biggest threat to this small town no one's ever heard of, actually turned out to be a nickname for a protester who wanted Shamrock Shakes in the month of May. Unfortunately, it seems like he took a wrong turn and ended up at a Burger King instead. I'm Brittle Schnitzel Sub, and these are your news.
Oh man, it wasn't an actual hurricane. Well, Jackson, if there had been a real emergency, we would have survived because of you. How would you like to work here full time? Just give me my dang paycheck.
Money well spent.